Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Today is Wednesday, November 24th, 2021. Let's take a look at today's charts. Number one, BTC is at $57,380.27, up 1.18%. Ethereum at number two, $4,329.77, up 4.48%. Binance coin number three, $590.67, up 4.66%. Tether at number four, $1. Number five, Solana, $219.26, down 0.02%. Number six, Cardano, $1.73, down 3.43%. XRP number seven, $1.06, up 1.45%. Polkadot at number eight, $40.35, up 1.95%. Number nine, USD coin, $1. And last but not least, Dogecoin number 10, 22 cents at 2.33% up. Let's take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So what we got is fear at 42. Yesterday was fear at 33. Last week was neutral at 52. And last month was greed at 72. Let's take a look at our 5 articles today. Article number 1 is Crypto.com coin is absolutely skyrocketing. Is it too late to buy? Article number 2, India to ban almost all private cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, in new clampdown. Article number 3, the 6 best places to stake Ethereum. Article number 4, 10 years from now, everybody's gonna wish they just bought more Bitcoin. And last but not least, the main topic today is NFL football star Odell Beckham Jr. giving away $1 million in Bitcoin and will take his new salary in BTC. So before we get into the articles, just want to say thank you so much to all my supporters and everyone that's been listening to the podcast, whether you're on Apple, Spotify, or Google Podcasts. Thank you so much. And if you're in a YouTube channel space, please like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out greatly. Let's get into it. Article number 1 is Crypto.com coin is absolutely skyrocketing. Is it too late to buy? The ball's in your court. Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing crypto app. At the end of June 2021, it was worth just US dollars 0.091 cents. Now it's sitting at 0.76 cents and appears to be on a zero eating mission, but is now a dumb place to jump on in. Is Crypto.com coin CRO going to keep increasing in price, or is it better to wait for a pullback, or could it crash completely? First, let's understand a little more about what Crypto.com is. Crypto.com, as we mentioned, calls itself the world's fastest growing crypto app, which allows you to buy crypto at true cost. It's essentially a platform for buying and selling crypto, like Binance or CoinSpot, though some people have found it too slow to deposit funds and moved on to other crypto trading apps. Others really believe in it and love it, especially the app's coin CRO. Crypto.com coin CRO is the native token of the Crypto.com chain, a tool created to build a network of crypto projects and develop companies' ability to accept crypto as a form of payment. The Crypto.com chain aims to make the transaction flows between crypto users and merchants easy, cost-efficient, and safe. The driving idea is to let people do more with their crypto than just hold on to it. Basically, Crypto.com coin is the coin of a promising crypto payment system, which is admittedly currently being ballooned by hype. Its native coin, Crypto.CRO, has been surging like crazy lately, with the surge placing CRO as the 13th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, just below Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in 11th and 12th spots, respectively, at the time of writing. This week's skyrocketing continues a trend of strong momentum from last week when Crypto.com paid $700 US million to put its name on the Staples Center in Los Angeles, home of the Los Angeles Lakers, for the next 2 decades, the largest ever naming rights deal in history, which sent its price increase on even more of an upward tear. Although the hallowed NBA ground, the Staples Center, won't officially be called Crypto.com Arena until Christmas Day, when the transition happens, millions of eyes will be on it, as the arena will be hosting one of the most watched games in basketball on that day, talking about shining a spotlight on a brand. Such a huge naming rights deal could be seen as a giant liability for those prone to jump at risk, and something investors could find nerve-wracking in another context. But for now, it seems to have paid off, with a surge in crypto market seeming to reward big, ballsy maneuvers like this right now, though time will tell if it pays off in the long run. So there you guys have it. What do you think about Crypto.com coin is absolutely skyrocketing? Is it too late to buy? Comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, let's keep on going. Article number 2. So, India to ban almost all private cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, in new clampdown. India is on track to ban all but a few private cryptocurrencies after the government announced on Tuesday it was introducing a new financial regulation bill. The Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill will create a facilitative framework for an official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India and ban all private cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Earlier this month, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said all democratic nations must work together to ensure cryptocurrency does not end up in wrong hands, which can spoil our youth. His first public comments on the subject. The law, which is due to be presented in Parliament in the next session, will allow exceptions to promote the underlying blockchain technology, the Parliament Bulletin said without providing further details. Such a pre-verification approach would create obstacles for thousands of peer-to-peer currencies that thrive on being outside the bit of regulatory scrutiny. Earlier this year, the government considered criminalizing the possession, issuance, mining, trading, and transference of crypto assets. Money laundering and terror financing? Modi recently chaired a meeting to discuss the future of cryptocurrencies amid concerns that unregulated crypto markets could become avenues for money laundering and terror financing. Sources separately said on Saturday the new rules are also likely to discourage marketing and advertising of cryptocurrencies to dull their allure for retail investors, said an industry source who was part of a separate parliamentary panel discussion held on Monday. The government is looking to classify crypto as an asset class as demanded by the crypto exchanges rather than as a currency, two sources told Reuters. But the senior government official told Reuters that the plan is to ban private crypto assets, ultimately while paving the way for a new central bank digital currency, CBDC. The Reserve Bank of India, which has voiced serious concerns about private crypto, is set to launch its CBDC by December. Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, is hovering around $60,000 and has more than doubled since the start of this year, attracting hordes of local investors. No official data is available, but industry estimates suggest that there are 15 to 20 million crypto investors in India, with total crypto holdings of around 400 billion rupees. That's about 4.77 billion euros. Wow, what a crazy story. What do you guys think about this? India to ban almost all private cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, in new clampdown. We saw China, we see India. What do you guys think about this article? And what do you think about El Salvador going the other way? All right, let's keep on going. Article number 3. The 6 best places to stake Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, and staking is one of several ways to profit. So Ethereum is one of the most popular and valuable coins existing in the current crypto market. However, while this currency is widely available to buy and sell, not every platform is great for staking it. There are also terms and conditions surrounding staking that you should be aware of beforehand. So what should you know before staking Ethereum, and what are the best platforms to use? Well, are there any requirements needed to stake Ethereum? Well, if you want to stake Ether and become a validator, you'll need to already own 32 ETH, and you'll need to be prepared to have that ETH locked. This is pretty much a constant across the crypto exchange industry and is sometimes referred to as the 32 ETH requirement. At the time of writing in November 2021, this number of ETH amounts to $129,395.84 in US dollars, which is obviously not an insignificant figure. But what's a validator? And do you need to be one in order to stake Ethereum? Well, in a nutshell, a validator can verify transactions that take place on blockchain, which is also known as the proof of stake mechanism. They're responsible for creating new blocks and increasing platform security. Validators also need sufficient storage space and RAM too, 250 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes respectively. And although through being a validator, you can be rewarded. However, you can join a stake pool with just a couple of ETH, where you can combine your crypto with that of others to get rewarded. But this still amounts to thousands of dollars worth of crypto, so keep this in mind. You'll also need to run an ETH1 or mainnet client to do this. Okay, so you've now got a better understanding of staking requirements for Ethereum. Let's have a look at the best platforms to perform this activity on. Number one, Coinbase. Coinbase is a crypto exchange launched in June of 2012 and began allowing users to stake in April of 2021. It's a hugely popular platform and now makes billions of dollars in annual revenue. But what makes it a good choice for staking Ethereum? The great thing about Coinbase is that it has no ETH staking minimum. Of course, you still need the 32 ETH minimum to become a validator, but you can easily join a staking pool on Coinbase. You can earn rewards in the form of Ethereum via these staking pools. Coinbase is also a trusted, legitimate exchange, so you don't need to worry about getting scammed out of your ETH here. Now, for the downside, Coinbase takes a 25% commission on any rewards you earn via staking. You also can't stake on Coinbase if you live outside the US, which can be a limiting factor for many. Take note of this before you begin the staking process. Number two, Kraken. Kraken Exchange was founded in July 2011 and has since made its way among the top crypto exchanges out there. You can buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies on this platform, as well as stake Ethereum. Like Coinbase, you're going to need at least 32 ETH to become a validator and stake independently on Kraken. But the platform offers the ability to join a staking pool with as little as 0.0001 ETH. Like Coinbase, Kraken does charge a fee for staking Ethereum, though it's only 15% in comparison to Coinbase's 25%. This is also an administrative fee, not a commission, but it will be taken out of your reward earnings. Number three, Binance. Binance is a huge crypto exchange that was launched in 2017 by businessman Changpeng Zhao. You can trade over 500 coins on Binance's exchange platform, as well as stake Ethereum. Binance also mandates the 32 ETH requirement for independent validators, but you can stake ETH in a pool for just 0.1 ETH, which amounts to around $400. Be aware that Binance Exchange tokenizes BETH, or Beacon ETH, a token of Beacon Chain, as a sole proof of your staked Ethereum in a 1-to-1 ratio. Also, 1 BETH equals 1 ETH, but there are no staking fees at all, so you can reap the rewards of your work without any frustrating cuts. Number four, Bitfinex. The Bitfinex crypto exchange was founded in 2013 in Hong Kong by Giancarlo De Vecini and Rafael Nicol. It's now a top choice for buying and selling crypto around the world, and is also a solid option for staking Ether for a number of reasons. Firstly, there is no minimum requirement for ETH if you want to stake without being an independent validator. However, Bitfinex stands by the 32 ETH rule if you do not want to become an official validator, so keep this in mind. So let's get to the fees. There are none. Bitfinex does not take any sort of fee for staking, so you'll get exactly what you earned. Number five, Lido. Unlike other platforms listed here, Lido is not a cryptocurrency exchange. It's actually an Ethereum-based liquid staking platform that lets you stake any amount of Ethereum you want and doesn't lock your funds as some other exchanges will. Lido requires a minimum deposit of 32 ETH to self-stake, but you can still join a stake pool with no minimum deposit required. However, Lido does require a 10% staking fee, which they take out of your earnings. Number six, Poloniex. Poloniex is a well-established crypto exchange that was founded in 2014. Poloniex, unlike the other platforms discussed here, does not hold itself to the 32 ETH staking rule for validators, which opens the door for those who do not own large amounts of Ethereum. Unfortunately, Poloniex charges a hefty 25% staking fee, which they take out of your earnings. So if you don't want to take this kind of hit, consider exchanges that charge a lower fee or none at all. So staking can earn you rewards, but it's best to do it properly. Staking Ethereum is a great way to earn rewards from your deposited funds, but it's important to know which platforms offer the best experience and benefits for users before putting up any of your precious assets. So take a look at the above suggestions before selecting your financial location for staking Ethereum. So good luck. So what do you guys think about this article? Did you learn anything about this article? The article is the 6 best places to stake Ethereum. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, before we get into the second round of articles, just want to take the time to show my appreciation and love for all my supporters. Thank you so much. I've been seeing the podcast analytics and I see people from US, from Canada, also people in the European regions, for example, Germany, UK, France, Spain. I see you guys also in Asia. Thank you so much. Also in South America and in Africa. Again, please try and make this Dave's Daily Crypto Take podcast and YouTube channel the best that you can by sharing your with your friends, your family members that are interested in unbiased cryptocurrency news. So again, thank you so much. Let's get back into it. Article number 4. 10 years from now, everybody's gonna wish they just bought more Bitcoin. Despite heightened adoption and acceptance, it can't be denied that the whole cryptocurrency industry is perceived to be a high-risk investment. In fact, many are averse to the constant market volatility, scams, hacks, rug pulls, and speculations plaguing the market. This is perhaps even truer for the DeFi sector, especially since it has fallen victim to scams and hacks amounting to over $10 billion this year. According to cryptocurrency entrepreneur Eric Voorhees, the higher propensity for DeFi protocols to be attacked comes from their novelty. In a recent podcast, he noted that the lack of peer reviews and background information from these protocols is the primary driver behind these crimes. Any new project in DeFi is by definition far more riskier than the base Ethereum chain, and that itself is riskier than Bitcoin. Worth noting, however, that he believes this should not malign the credibility of the whole sector. The early Bitcoin exchanges that were scams doesn't make Bitcoin a scam, and the DeFi projects which are scams doesn't make DeFi a scam. Albeit the low risk factor posed by regulated exchanges and high cap protocols does not rectify the risky returns currently being taken by the market. During the same podcast, Alex Gladstein, a Human Rights Foundation executive who advocates the use of Bitcoin by activists, backed this idea. He suggested that the surge in DeFi activity is starting to resemble the financial crisis through which Bitcoin was born in 2009. Even the Bank of England passed similar remarks recently, claiming that the unregulated growth of the market could lead to a very similar economic meltdown. Gladstein compared the present surge of meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to the risky mortgage-backed securities that were sold to investors during the US housing bubble. Of late, these coins have managed to surpass the market cap of top coins like Litecoin, Chainlink, and Uniswap, among others, with rallies reaching up to triple digits. The rise of these altcoins has also led to many new investors viewing Bitcoin as a boomer coin with fewer use cases and profitability than alternative tokens. Previous studies have revealed similar results, with many millennials preferring high-yield speculative coins over BTC. Gladstein believes this presence will be regrettable, adding, quote, "Think there's going to be so much sorrow and regret over that perspective, which is really dominant in the crypto space 10 years from now. Everybody's going to wish they just bought more Bitcoin." So, what do you guys think about this article? 10 years from now, everybody's going to wish they bought more Bitcoin. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Actually, right now, do you wish that you just bought more Bitcoin? I know that people that are in the space before 2017 and well before 2015 and well before 2012, imagine if you just bought more Bitcoin. Comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, last but not least, article number 5, the main topic today is NFL football star Odell Beckham Jr. giving away $1 million in Bitcoin and will take his new salary in BTC. US football star Odell Beckham Jr., OBJ, is taking his new salary in Bitcoin as giving away $1 million in cryptocurrency in partnership with Square's Cash App. To all my fans out there, I'm giving back a total of $1 million in BTC right now, he wrote. Football star Odell Beckham Jr. will take his new salary in Bitcoin. And he is also known as OBJ, announced via Twitter Monday that he's taking his new salary via Square Cash app. He also told his 4.1 million Twitter followers that he's giving away $1 million in BTC. OBJ is an American football wide receiver for the American National Football League, Los Angeles Rams. He signed a one-year deal with the Rams 2 weeks ago after the Cleveland Browns released him. According to reports, his contract comes with a base salary of $750,000 and a $500,000 signing bonus, with another $3 million available to earn in the form of team-based incentives. He quotes and tweets, "It's a new era, and to kick that off, I'm hyped to announce that I'm taking all my new salary in Bitcoin thanks to Cash App. To all my fans out there, no matter where you are, thank you. I'm giving back a total of $1 million in BTC right now too. Drop your hashtag cash tag with OBJBTC and follow Cash App now." Wow. At the time of writing, some people on Twitter have posted screenshots of them receiving Bitcoin from Odell Beckham Jr. Most people received about $20 in BTC. Last month, Green Bay Packers quarterback Aaron Rodgers also said that he is taking a portion of his salary in Bitcoin. In addition, he also gave away $1 million in BTC to his fans in collaboration with Cash App. Cash App also partnered with American rapper and hip-hop artist Megan Thee Stallion to give away $1 million in Bitcoin on Twitter in December last year. A growing number of professional athletes are asking to be paid in Bitcoin, including Russell Okung, Tom Brady, Saquon Barkley, and Sean Culkin. Last week, the Perth Heat, a major baseball team in Australian Baseball League, announced that it will operate on a Bitcoin standard. The team said Perth Heat will pay players in Bitcoin, pay staff in Bitcoin, accept Bitcoin payments for sponsorships, merchandise, and ballpark concessions, and hodl Bitcoin on the club's balance sheet. So, what do you guys think about this article? NFL football star OBJ, Odell Beckham Jr., giving away $1 million in Bitcoin and will take his new salary in BTC. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, let's take a look at the prices one last time before we head out. Number one, BTC is at $57,380. Ethereum at $4,329. Binance Coin, $599. Tether, $1. Solana, $219. Cardano, $1.73. XRP, $1.06. Polkadot, $40.35. USD Coin, $1. And last but not least, Dogecoin at 22 cents. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for making it this far into the podcast and YouTube video. Again, this is Dave's Daily Crypto Take. If you guys want to have unbiased cryptocurrency news, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And please share it with all your friends and family members. Again, these are all advice, not to be financial advice, but also make your due diligence and research on your own. Again, please take everything with these news that are for crypto and against crypto and do your own research. Other than that, please have a great crypto day and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.